here's a quick video to help your Northwest drone shots pop. So this is old school, taken with the original Mavic. You can see here that it was a beautiful day, put the drone in the sky, and it just didn't look right when I was checking the pictures. So I have a basic start in Lightroom, to which you'll be able to see change there. So looking at the shot though, it still lacks that depth. So I find with a lot of the drone shots, even newer drones, just dropping back the blacks helps your picture. From there you can adjust your histogram with your brightness, but just drop back your blacks. That's the biggest tip I've got for the Northwest. And where possible, shoot under exposed, unlike I did with that shot. And this will help you with editing at the end. Another part that I find with the Northwest shots is you want to adjust your tint. So depending on the rocks, your scene, and how the camera's balanced it out, you may need to adjust your tint to allow for to move towards the purple for your rocks, or whether it's the green with your water, depending on what the drones or other cameras are balanced out. So that's up to you. What's your representation? What did you see on the day? But drop back your blacks to help your pictures.